Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, Sew Yourself a Capsule Wardrobe. It's another episode of #FridaySews, but on a Saturday. And today I'm looking at my recent pattern haul, so if that interests you, stay watching. In last week's #FridaySews, I showed you all the fabrics that I'd had delivered from Pound Fabrics as I'd placed a recent order, and all those fabrics were for garments for my winter and autumn wardrobe. And today I'm looking at some new patterns that I've bought from Stylark. As many of you will know, Stylark is an Australian pattern company. It's an independent pattern company. It's not one of the big four. And every month they have a selection of 2 bonus patterns that you can add to your shopping cart if you buy a PDF pattern. So basically, if you buy one pattern, you can have another one of the bonus patterns for free. I knew that I wanted one of the Stylark patterns, so when I saw the bonus patterns that were on offer for August, I knew I had to place my order because I knew I wanted one of those 2 patterns as well. So the bonus patterns on offer this month for August 2023 are the Rhea knit top, which is great for beginners, and the Shannon jumpsuit. But I'll come to those patterns a bit later on. Let me show you the patterns that I've bought for myself, actually this afternoon, before I've started recording this video. Yeah, to be honest, there hasn't been much sewing going on this week. I haven't been feeling very well. I had to have antibiotics for a bit of an infection, and I've managed to put my back out somehow. I don't know how I've done it. So I spent yesterday browsing the internet for patterns, I have to say, because you know, if I'm not sewing, I want to be doing something that involves sewing. Let me show you the patterns that I bought. The first one is the Carlisle jeans pattern. I put the graphic up. I put that over there and put the graphic up over here. It's a wide leg jean pattern. As you can see, wide leg jeans are on trend for this season and have been over the summer, and I really like that pattern. I actually saw this pattern being modelled by Jenny Drew, and she's a lovely lady who lives in Glasgow in the UK. She runs the Confident Capsule Collection, I think it is, and they're a series of online courses which you can join, and she'll help you make your first garments, your beginning sewing garments. So yeah, I thought that this pattern made up in a nice black denim or a nice black linen or just dark indigo denim would look fantastic for autumn and winter. So that's pattern number 1 that I've bought today. One of the garments that's on trend for autumn 2023 is the long, I think it's called a column skirt, and it's like a long denim skirt. And they're all on trend, made in denim. And I bought this pattern, and it's called the Tommy jean skirt. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see there, the glare of the ring light's a bit bouncing off the pattern a little bit. It's got the front split, but it's a very nice long denim skirt. I've got about 6 meters of denim, that's already washed up, I think. So that would be fantastic in a nice denim. And again, I'd like to make this pattern in denim as well. I'll just show you. It's really out of my comfort zone, this type of pattern. It's the Adeline or Adeline dress. And I'd like to make that, it's kind of a cocoon dress. I'll put graphics up so you can really see them. I'll put it there for you, there we are. It's a cocoon dress, and it's got a V-neck and grown on dolman sleeves. And I'd really like to make that dress to go over long sleeve tops or a long sleeve turtleneck for the winter. It's really cold in my workroom. This is actually my workroom where I record my videos as well. But in the winter it gets really, really cold because I've got 3 big windows and I'm right next to a brick wall. I've got a radiator, but it does get really chilly. So I thought that the Adeline dress would be fantastic as a pinafore dress over a top and either leggings or thick tights for the winter. Another pattern that's completely out of my comfort zone. I've never made anything like this before. It's the Mildred jumpsuit. And again, it's literally just a slip on. Hasn't got any fastenings in it. It's literally kind of a slip on dungaree style jumpsuit. And again, you can wear it, I think this lady's wearing it here, with a t-shirt, but I'd really like to wear it with, again, a long sleeved top for the winter, and maybe put a woolly cardigan over then the top of that. And I'd like to wear it to go out in as well, with a pair of chunky boots that I bought last year. And because they've got wide legs and kind of 7/8, 3/4 length, I think they'd be really on trend. I can really see the Mildred jumpsuit and the Adeline pinafore dress, or the dress, being made in a nice black linen, because linen's warm in the cool weather and cool in warm weather because it's a natural fibre. So I think that'll keep me warm as well. I seem to have gone really out of my comfort zone today. I don't know why. I usually stick to straight skirts, short skirts. I've got a long skirt in my wardrobe, but very plain, ordinary pared back style. But this dress, I could not resist. And I thought, do you know, why not? I'm getting paid on Monday. I might as well buy it. Bit naughty, payday treat. It's the Armadale dress, which I believe is quite a new pattern from Style Arc. And it's a button-through dress. It's, again, I think it's a grown-on sleeve. Oh no, it's a shorter sleeve, but they are actually sewn into the arm side there. But it's got a waist and a collar, and I just think it looks so beautiful. And I'm hoping we'll get some nice warm days towards the end of summer and the beginning of autumn. It's my birthday at the end of August, and I think that dress would look really lovely to go out for my birthday, if I'm honest. So I really like that. And I can, you know, I can see it made in a nice viscose challis with a nice cardigan over the top. And maybe even tights and boots to wear with that as well. So yeah, that's completely out of my comfort zone. I don't actually wear many dresses, but that really, really caught my eye. Apologise if you can hear rain on my workroom roof. It's been raining all day. We just had a rainstorm, so if you can hear it, that's what it is. Let me just show you the 2 bonus patterns that Style Arc have on offer for August. The first one is that I've mentioned is the Shannon jumpsuit. Oops, that is actually a jumpsuit rather than a kind of a dungaree jumpsuit. And you can either have a V-neck or a round neck. You can either have it buttoned down the front or pop over the head with sleeves or sleeveless, but it does have a nice wide trouser to it. I would like to see if I could hack the pattern so that I just have the top without the bottoms, a round neck, button down the back top as a shell, because I think that looked really fantastic. Like I said, it's a free pattern. You get a free pattern if you buy a pattern from Style Arc, and that offer is every single month. My final pattern was also one of the bonus patterns. It's the Rhea knit top. It's this one here. Again, this is one I saw Jenny Drew had in her shop window. I actually saw it on Facebook. I haven't actually been to her shop. I've seen it in a Facebook reel that she did when she was explaining the Confident Capsule Collection, and it's in the window, and I really like it. It's just a little bit different. And again, oops, if I'd like to make that in a nice French terry, just to pop over a skirt or a pair of jeans when it gets cold in my workroom. To note that you do only get one bonus pattern per order from Style Arc. So what I did, I actually placed 2 orders and had one each of the free patterns. I didn't put both patterns into the one order because you can't do that. So I just split the patterns that I wanted into 2 and ordered twice. Now there are pros and cons with Style Arc patterns. One of the good things is the pattern ranges from Australian size 4 to 30. So that gives a really good size range. However, you don't have all the sizes in one pattern. If the patterns are one size PDFs, you get the size that you order with a size smaller and a size larger. So you have to be quite accurate on which size you'd like to make. Or you can have, the Stylark have just started to introduce multi-size patterns, and I believe they're from sizes 4 to 14 and 10 to 22, and I think it's 18 to 30 or something along those lines. I do always buy the multi-size patterns if they're available, just because it gives a bit more flexibility on sizing. The other problem that people tend to have with Stylark patterns is that the instructions are quite sparse. However, Stylark are addressing this problem and giving tutorials online that you can access by, if I just show you here, scanning this QR code into your phone, and this will give you the tutorial. So Stylark are actively addressing the problem of very few instructions. I do, however, think that the easy patterns are easy and straightforward if you've got a little bit of sewing under your belt, and the patterns are extremely easy to put together. They're tiled PDFs. The drafting is very good, and I've made a Stylark skirt. It's the Northcote skirt, and it fits absolutely beautifully. It really is a lovely fit. So that's it from me then. Over the next few weeks, I'll be looking in my fabric stash and seeing which fabrics I have to correspond to those patterns. I'd just like to say a huge thank you so much to everybody who's subscribed to my channel and everybody who's liked my videos and commented. I am absolutely knocked out by the people who've commented, liked and subscribed, and I can't thank you enough. It really does make a massive difference to my channel. Thank you. So let's hope I can get some sewing done over the next week, and I'll report back next Friday or possibly even Saturday. Until then, happy sewing. Bye bye.